happy 10th of December, 15 days till Christmas. Ignore my greasy hair. Got caught in a lot of rain this morning on the school run. Very bizarre weather this morning, could I add, and now that looks disgraceful. Anyway, busy morning this morning. Fridge and the freezer have arrived. They arrived at 8 o'clock. Bang on me getting Leo and Lucas ready for school. But ta-da! So I am going to open the freezer and potentially plug it in so I can empty my fridge freezer out of there. And I have a sack truck that I've just picked up from my mum and dad's, and we're going to try and move that fridge freezer to the garage. So we should look on that. But yeah, first thing I'm going to do is open this up. So I actually had these from Argos. I got the under-counter fridge and the built-in freezer. So yeah, we shall see how we get on. I will pop you over here. Turn you round. Also, my tumble dryer's broke. I didn't mention that, so ignore all the washing that's spread around trying to dry. Just what I needed. Thanks, man. These things happen though. Oh, scissors. What about that? I can't move this, so I'll try and move you. I'm sorry, the angle's cack. But never mind. I'm going to try and do this today because the skip's being picked up tomorrow. So, if I can get this emptied, I can put the cardboard in the skip away. Alright, okay. Question is, how do I open a fridge freezer like this? Anyone want to tell me? Like, it's not exactly a small box, is it? No, it's not fancy. I mean, how do you open a freezer? Is there like a... You'd expect it to open from the side, wouldn't you? Oh! Ah. Found it. Just gonna get some pliers. I do that every single time with pliers. I always pinch my skin and I always say next time I'll remember not to do that. And then I do it again. Figured out how to unbox it. Kind of. Hi guys, it's a very, very short video from me today because it is already 9:30 on an evening and I'm going to quickly I'm not even going to edit this really, I'm just going to upload it because today's been a really busy day. We've had a lot of progress. I was up early, the fridge freezer was arriving between 7 and 9, came bang on school run as it would. We have managed to move the huge fridge freezer down to my garage. I don't know how me and Matt have done it, but we did. Then my friend came round and I helped her pack Etsy orders. I think we did about 100 boxes. And we had to go and pick up some bits. I had to pop to Aldi. I've got my chicken Kievs in the oven that I didn't get last night because I really wanted a chicken Kiev. And then when I cooked the shawarma, there was more in there. So I was like, oh, so that was the front door. But it's not. It's my Kiev. I ended up having some of the shawarma and chips and gravy with Matt. And so I've got it tonight. It's in the oven, and I'm going to do it with jacket potato as well, because I just really fancy a nice jacket potato with just some cheese on as well. That's what I'm going to have. So let me show you where I'm up to. Oh, something looks so cute. Hold on. It looks lovely and tidy in here anyway. I do need to clean my rug. I've got a carpet cleaner at Mum and Dad's, which is going to come round. So yeah, let me show you. So not a massive amount of change in here, but if you've noticed, the big units have gone. This is the end panels and the worktop, which you've got to do, and some filler panels. This is my under-counter fridge, which is staying here for now. I've kind of organised this a little bit more, although it doesn't look like it. But these paint bits are going to go in the shed out the back, and this is a little bit more organised on here. I've got washing everywhere, so please ignore that because my tumble dryer is broke. They're fixing that Friday. I have loads of boxes. Don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. My doors, I've opened them up. They are so nice. Honestly, let me see if I can just show you this one. They are very, very similar to my kitchen, but they are just incredible quality. So incredible. They're so heavy compared to like my kitchen cupboards. They're really well made. I'm so pleased with those, like amazed. Anyway, I've tidied my kitchen. So my kitchen is tidy, and I've tidied my hallway as well. Look, so in here it's pretty tidy, apart from still got my Christmas lights to go up, and I've still got my blinds to do, but that's for another day. So yeah, my kitchen is nice and tidy now. I'm just cooking my dinner. And then in here, it is getting there. So we have tidied all down here. Matt's fixed the floor. Apart from, can you see that one there that keeps popping out? Driving me mad. Anyway, in there's a few bits to put away, but it's looking nice and neat still. But down here, it is coming together. So this is where the tumble dryer and washing machine are going to be stacked. And this is my, did I show you this yesterday? I think I did. The little stackery thing. I really wish it was the wood one, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. This is where the freezer's going, but we couldn't put too much in because we've got the plumber coming tomorrow. But I'm really chuffed with how the sockets are fitting. This will go back a little bit more. It's just that this obviously needs to be fixed on Friday, and the plumber needs to get to this wall. But this is my new freezer. Ta-da! And I can't believe, oh, I can't open it. I can't believe how much food I have. It is full, but I'm so pleased with the amount of room in it. I just need to make my way through it now, because I've got to put Christmas stuff in there. But yeah, so this is how this is going to look. This obviously isn't in yet, but this is my new sink. It arrived today. It's a lot bigger than I thought, but I'm so chuffed with it, because this is going to be really good for like when I'm like soaking the whites. I actually have a sink that I can like bleach in and stuff. So this was such a good bargain. I think I paid, do you know what, I'm going to link it below, but I think it was 100 and, I want to say 159.99. It came with the waste and everything. Bloody lights flashing back. But yeah, and then this is the corner cupboard. So this won't fit exactly like this. Like, I'm just debating whether to have less floor space and move everything over so that the sink is in the middle of the window, and then I have more worktop, or whether to move it over as much as I can with the plumbing and have more floor space. So let me know what you would do. Would you have less floor space, more worktop, or less worktop, more floor space? Because I'm thinking if I had more worktop, I could potentially have like an ironing board on there. I have had the very depressing news today that Matt's told me that I can't have floating shelves, that have to be bracketed, because this isn't as sturdy as the kitchen walls, because it's breeze block. Oh, it's such a hard life. But yeah, look, out here I've tidied like all this area. This looks better. We've still got to do the cladding, but you know what? Little bits like that can wait till after Christmas, do you know what I mean? Like, it's just the plumbing and the main bits in here so I can actually utilise the utility. But yeah, it's just a really quick one from me today, just to show you where we're at. And we are getting there. I had so many people comment and say, like, don't burn out, like, be careful, take it easy. I appreciate you so much, like, honestly, but I thrive when I'm busy, and I probably will burn out. I probably will, but it's a horrible trait that I have, that I just cannot sit still. Like, I'm just somebody who doesn't relax. Like, even if I'm in bed on a morning, I have to get out of bed and do stuff, because otherwise I'm just lying there thinking of all the things that I need to do, and I really struggle to, like, switch off. I'm like one of these, I'm just a weirdo. It's just what I'm like. But don't worry, I will be relaxing over Christmas. And this is just the final push now. I'm hoping to kind of have everything wrapped up by the end of, like, this week next. And then just, like, enjoy Christmas, because once the kids break up, like, that's it. So I'm going to finish this and then sort through everything I've got for Christmas over, like, the weekend, I think, probably, and get Christmas sorted, and start writing some lists for things. But, like, there's just loads that I'm going to do, that I'm want to do. I have this thing in my head where, when it comes to, like, getting ready for Christmas, I just want the house to be a home. Like, you know how when you're pregnant you nest? I do that around Christmas, but then I also do it in January. I go into spring clean mindset where I have to declutter everything, and I get ruthless. So I might keep this up and show you some decluttering, because I've got a couple of kitchen cupboards that seriously need some decluttering in the new year. But one task at a time. But yeah, happy 10th of December, and I will see you tomorrow. There's nothing else to show you today. I don't think I've had any parcels turn up. I had a Look Fantastic parcel turn up, which has got my sister-in-law's Christmas present in, which I will show you tomorrow, because it's too late to open that now. Matt had a Christmas present turn up from me, that I know what it is. It's a DH Gate Beauty, I think. I don't think I had anything else turn up. We went and looked at another property for Matt's business venture, and that was a poop. So back to the drawing board on that one. But yeah, I'm going to sort dinner out now. Leo will be back any minute from football. They trained so late now, that because they only had a few spots left at their winter ground that they train at, with, like, the floodlights, and they had to have, like, a really late spot, which is like 8 till 9, so they're still not back yet. So I always feel so sorry for him on a Thursday morning. He must be absolutely whacked, but it's only for one more week. It's only for a few more weeks, and then they'll go back to summer training after the break. So yeah, happy Wednesday. I will see you all tomorrow. Good night, guys.